Teaching your child to read is a great adventure, and it starts the moment you read that first book to him. Reading with your child every day is so important. It establishes an atmosphere that books are important in this home. We enjoy reading. It's a great thing. And you want to keep that happy attitude toward reading throughout the whole process of teaching your child to read for himself. With Charlotte Mason's gentle methods, you can make learning to read delightful. Charlotte outlined a simple 3-step process that progresses naturally at each child's pace. Let's talk about the first step in this video, playing with letters and sounds. This can begin when the child is quite young. Reading books with him every day is a key part of it, but then also get him some letters that he can hold, that he can play with. They could be wooden blocks with letters painted on them, or foam letters, or magnetic letters. Whatever you think your child will like best. Make those letters available to him, along with all of his other toys. Refer to them as you do his other toys. For example, if he puts the K in the toy train along with a toy giraffe, verbalize what's happening, just as you normally would, and include the letter's name, just like you would any other toy's name. Oh, K is taking a ride with Giraffe. Where are they going? These gentle introductions to the letters and their sounds should be done very informally, using play and games, and allowing the child to take the lead. Our Playing with Letters and Sounds kit is full of games and informal activities that are easy to do, quick to play, and lots of fun to repeat. So let's show you what's in the kit. First is the A is for Art book, a fine art alphabet book. A great activity to do with your child is to read good ABC books, and this one is my new favorite. ABC books gently introduce the letters and connect each one with the main sound that it makes. Charlotte Mason encouraged us to be careful not to give our children twaddle, even at this young age. So this book presents beautiful artwork along with the ABCs. And you can use the book to do some fun activities, too. Those are all included in the Games and Activities book. The Games and Activities book will give you more than 100 informal games and activities, including ways to use the ABC book to help your child have fun with learning letters and their sounds. It's chock full of ideas, like playing musical letters or musical sounds, playing letter bingo, using hide and seek or hopscotch or dough or even pancakes to gently introduce the letters and their sounds. The decks of cards make the activities easy. You get uppercase and lowercase letters, so your child can play with and learn both of them. The other decks are full of beautiful, simple drawings that reinforce the letter sounds at the beginning, the middle, and the end of words. These little codes will tell you exactly which cards to use with which activities. And I love how the cards will be easy to sort if they happen to get all mixed together. Just look for the beautiful pictures on the back. And they feature the same pictures as the A is for Art ABC book, by the way. Everything else in the kit correlates to the different games and activities, too. You get an ABC placemat ready for your child to decorate. You get several different alphabet bingo cards that can be used in lots of different ways. You could show an uppercase letter and say its name as your child looks for it on his card. Or you could show a lowercase letter and see if your child can find the uppercase match. Or you could say a letter's sound and have your child look for the letter that says that sound on his card. Lots of different ways to use the bingo cards as your child progresses in his learning. You also get these jumbo craft sticks and little alphabet stickers to put on them for some of the games. And your child will get his very own My ABC book that he can fill with pictures and colors and even small items from around the house that start with each letter as he learns it. You don't have to go in ABC order. If your child shows an interest in a particular letter or sound, go with that. Many children want to know the letters in their own name first. Well, this Letters and Sounds bookmark will help you keep track of which ones have been introduced, which ones he's in the process of learning, and which ones he knows. All in all, more than 100 multisensory games and activities to teach your child the first step to reading, learning the letters and their sounds through play. The activities are easy to do. No specialized equipment is needed. It's just simple activities that you can do with things that you have around your house, or you can do them outdoors. And they're quick to play. Short activities to help reinforce a habit of paying attention. Play one if your child wants to, and then move on to do something else. And the activities are fun to repeat. You know how little children love to play and replay the games or activities that they enjoy. And you can do the same with these games. Many of them can be reused with the different letters or sounds that your child is learning. The important thing is to go at your child's pace. Play the games when he's in the mood to do so happily. You're cultivating an attitude toward letters as much as learning their names or sounds. Once your child knows the letters and most of their sounds, and you'll be able to track that progress on your bookmark, watch for signs that he may be ready to move on to step 2 of the process and start word building. You'll know that he's probably ready to move on when he consistently identifies letters around him, on signs, book covers, posters, calendars, magazines. If you hear, "Mommy, there's an S," or "Daddy, that's a T," that might be a good first sign. And then watch for another sign too. If your child consistently asks what words say in his environment, "Mommy, what does that say?" or "Daddy, what's this word?" Or maybe he even attempts to guess what those words are. At that stage, he's probably ready to move on to step 2 and start putting letters and sounds together to build words. Watch our video on Delightful Reading number 2, Words I Can Build, to find out more about that stage in this wonderful adventure of teaching your child to read.